Hey guys, Dolly here. I'm in my house. This hacker, quote unquote, keeps coming into my house and he won't stop. It's just annoying me and I'm keep saying he's a stalker. I'm in Roblox. They banned hackers, okay? Oh really, you won't care if I tell half the world? Well, yeah, I don't like him at all. I want him out of this house. People keep trying to break in. Just get out of my life! I wanna be. Rosie is my real life friend. Try me, Max. Dude, I'm cold. Oh my god, I'm frozen. My chat's frozen. Don't. Oh my god, I hate everybody. Do you not understand that I'm recording? Oh, yeah, this chair is just stuck on the ground. Rosie is like a friend that like will do anything. Remember, yeah, sorry about the background. My brother's playing Fortnite. I'm not gonna do a face cam in like forever. So, yeah. I'm just gonna run. Run. Oh my god, I thought that's a doll and it scared me so bad. Oh. Okay. Yeah, someone just cussed. Like I didn't already. In the stairs. A secret hiding spot. Right here. Rosie, I'm not here. Right here. Rosie. Right here. Hiding spot. I have nothing to eat in this house. Luckily, I'm moving into a huge house. like this one, but it's not 2 stories. It's 1 story, but it's way bigger, I think. Built in the 90s. Think. Well, that's what other people think. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and relax. Oh, she's about to puke. Puke. Yeah, this is my howl. Ow. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on, Rosie. Let's go to the beach. No, we're doing with the hearts. Have you ever pressed the hearts by accident night? She has a beard. Oh, online theater. You. We're moving into the house tomorrow. Oh yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I might do a giveaway on Animal Jam for something. But anyways, good dang bye. XD bye. Peace. Say bye to YouTube. Hurry up before I do. Bye YouTube. Leave a like, sub, and comment. Peace out. Dolly out.